Hey guys, and welcome back. Thank you for joining me. Today is another Cricut mystery box launch day, and they have really lived up to March Madness name. So since it is the last week in March, it's safe to say this will probably be the last box in March Madness, and every box so far has been wonderful and great, but this box is absolutely my favorite. There is a lot of good vinyl in these boxes. There is some paper, you get your iron-on vinyl, and I will show you guys what's inside. So what I love working with the most with my Cricut is pattern vinyl. And this box does not fall short to absolutely amaze me because it has some of the most beautiful pattern vinyl in this box. So this is called the Clover Mystery Box, and if you would like to shop anytime, you can find the link. If you are on Facebook Live, it is at the top of the description. If you're watching on YouTube, you will find it in the description box below. So sorry, I had an itch. Let me go ahead and start with, this is my favorite of the pattern vinyl, and these boxes do tend to sell out. So if you are ready to buy a box, you can shop at any time, and I would love to know if you snag one. So I'm gonna open up, like I said, my very favorite. This is the removable matte, and the matte vinyl is always my favorite. I love the matte feel of it. I love, instead of versus the glossy. This is the Griffin premium vinyl, and it is removable. So this means that you can put it anywhere, you just won't have that sticky residue when you go to remove the vinyl. So let me go ahead and show you some of these patterns. Let me get my scissors and cut these open. I do wait to open these boxes until just before I launch with you guys because I want to be surprised and I want to see what you guys think about them. So you do get, let's see, 6 sheets of 12 by 12. This is one of the beautiful pattern vinyls, and this is the Floral in the set. And these two have a kind of a purple theme, and then this is the purple Floral, and look at the detail in the pattern in this one. It is absolutely beautiful. And I really love using these pattern vinyls, and especially the Florals. And if you were to see my craft room, you would see that it is absolutely covered in floral everything. So another one of the pattern that comes with this is really unique, and I've never seen this pattern before, but this is a black and white floral. And this one may actually be my favorite. But there is a lot of details in this pattern. And I love these so much. It is so beautiful. Yeah, isn't that, oh my gosh, it is so pretty. So you get, let's see, you get 6 sheets of the 6 by 12, or I'm sorry, the 12 by 12. My numbers are running together. Okay, the next set is a lot of fun too. This is premium vinyl. It is also removable. It is called the Ditsy Dots Primary Sampler. So think about kids with this one. This one isn't as, this one has, let's see, this has 6 sheets of the 12 by 12. And like I said, I always like to open these boxes with you guys, so just bear through me opening these. They are packaged so good. So look how cute this one is. It is called the Primary, and it does look like primary colors. Like, these would be really good for a project for my daughter. So the next pattern is this red and white. These stripes, it is so super cute. And then the last pattern that you get with this one is blue and white polka dots. It's like a navy blue. And these are removable. So like I said, that just means that if you decide to make something and put it on the wall in your children's room, you will not get that sticky residue when you go to remove this vinyl. So next up, we have another set of floral. This one is called the Francesca Sampler. It is another Griffin sampler pack. Again, this one is 6 sheets of 12 by 12 of the removable matte. And if you guys have ever felt the matte vinyl, you can tell it really has a big difference between the glossy and the matte. And I always find that the matte cuts easier and smoother for me. So this one is a really pretty pattern. I love this one. And let me know what you guys think of these patterns as we go along. I don't know, you guys may not be as obsessed with floral patterns as I am, but everything floral is welcome in my home. And so the next one is gorgeous. This is a blue color with, I would say, kind of a tan accent color with it. And it has this weave pattern to it, and it is absolutely beautiful too. And I like that these are really complementing of each other. I feel like you could use these in any project alongside each other. And then you get this gray and this kind of mustard floral. And I mean, if you know me and you were watching me open this vinyl, you know that this has got to be my favorite box of all time because it has so much floral. It is absolutely beautiful. And so this pack is the last sampler pack. You get 6 of the 12 by 12 again, and this is also removable mat. So you get 3 patterns with this one. The first pattern is this gorgeous, I wouldn't even know what to call that. It is so pretty. What would you guys call that? I love that pattern. And then you get this navy and white. It has some paisley print with it. That is so pretty. I love the navy and white. I really love navy. That's becoming one of my favorite colors. And then you get this really fun pattern, and this is the last one of the pack. Yeah, lace, that's perfect. And then this one is the last one of the pack. So that is all the floral patterns and all of the other patterns, all the pattern vinyls. There is a ton, and they are so worth the price. So let me go ahead and show you what's in the rest of the box, but nothing is going to ever top that for me because the florals top all. So then you get this pack of party foil, and it is also, this is the orange, but you get 2 sheets. One is solid and one is holographic. So with party foil, it's really fun to work with, and this is one of these projects that, or one of these purchases that you invest in yourself because you think, what would I use party foil for? But it's really, really fun. You can put this on your Cricut mat and cut out any shaped confetti. And so that's a lot of fun to work with. And then also you can use these for any kind of party accent favors or party, and you can see how shiny it is. Like, you can even see my setup of my camera in the reflection of this. And there's so many shades in that holographic that make it such a beautiful vinyl. And then the first one, this top one, is called Orange. So it looks kind of like a copper to me. I would love this. So a lot of people use these for party accents and confetti. So the party foil is fun because, like I said, it may be something that you don't necessarily think to purchase for yourself, but it is so much fun to work with. And these are 12 by 48 inch sheets. So you can see just how, let me show you how big these sheets are. They are super, super big. And so it is the 48 inches of the party foil with 2 sheets. So they are so shiny and so pretty, and I love them so much. Then another good value that you get with this box is you get this kit of the Everyday Iron-On Vinyl. So this is the perfect staple if you love to work with iron-on. This is really good to stock up, or if you have never worked with iron-on before, this is a super good pack to get you started. So there is 12 sheets of 12 by 12, and you get black, white, silver, and gold. And this is their everyday vinyl. So it's just the iron-on is 12 by 12. They fit perfectly on your mat. And then of course you do get the gold and the silver along with the white. So let me show you how pretty these are. The gold and the silver kind of have like a metallic look to them. And they shine so pretty. So that is, I mean, that's worth it in itself. This box is just under $133, but it is on sale for $39.99. So you can add a few items to your cart and make it a $50 purchase, and you get 10% off and free shipping with the code HolliCrafts. So the last bit of this box, there are 2 sets of deluxe paper. These are both Disney, and one is Minnie Rocks the Dots paper. It is so cute. These are 12 by 12 sheets, and they are front and back sided. So this means that both sides of this vinyl is gonna have some kind of print. These are so cute. And these are for the paper crafters. So like, this is one of it. This is the back of one of the sheets. Then you get the Minnie Mouse bow with the navy stripes. These are a lot of fun too. You get the Minnie Mouse face. She is so cute. And then you get the yellow dots on the back of that one. Then you get Minnie in red, and then you also get the same kind of pattern in the black and white. Yes, this is the Clover Mystery Box. Then you get red and white, or I'm sorry, red and pink, and then black and white dots. And this is kind of like, you can call this, it's thick as cardstock. And then you get the yellow and white and the blue, navy, and pink Mickey heads. So these are a lot of fun to work with. And then you get another pack of the Disney Perfect Pair Deluxe Paper. And I love these because these all look like craft board. They are black and white. And these are so cute. These are double-sided too. One is Mickey and Minnie, and then the other side is Floral. And then as you go along, this one is probably my favorite. Look how cute that is. With those little tiny Mickey heads. And these are all on the kind of the brown craft board paper. So these are a lot of fun. They're so cute. And then this is the very last item in this mystery box. This is the big shebang. This is the very last thing in the box that is my absolute favorite. And you get the felt Summer Sky sampler. You get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sheets of felt. And you can make everything with this felt. It is so much fun. And this project is actually in Design Space. So if you wanted to make this project, this has all of the colors inside of it with the succulents, and it is in Design Space. So you get these 12 by 12 sheets of felt. You can make bows with these. I don't know if you guys have ever made these bows, but on the back of this, it caught my eye. These are so cute to make, especially for, you know, little girls, but you can also make them for dog collars. And I've seen some of the cutest projects be for boy dogs, just around their neck with a little felt bow, and they are so cute. They're such a good idea to make, and it's just something to set you apart from the crowd. So this felt is perfectly made to go with your Cricut, either Explorer or with the Maker. Either machine works, but it is perfectly designed to work with your Cricut. So in the past, I've worked with some Cricut, or I've worked with some felt that didn't necessarily cut well, and so it was discouraging. But if you buy this felt, it feels kind of, it's not stiff, but you can definitely tell that there is a difference in this felt. And look at all these beautiful colors that you get. So you do get the 10 sheets, and this is a great sampler. If you've never worked with felt before, this is a great place to get started. After I worked with Cricut felt, I stopped going back to the other felt because it would either fall apart or it wasn't easy to cut, and this cuts perfectly with your machine. So, like I said, that is the rundown of the Clover Mystery Box. It is a just under $133 value for $39.99. You get all of the pattern vinyl that is absolutely beautiful. You get the felt, the everyday iron-on, you get the, it's kind of like cardstock, but they call it the designer paper, and then all of the rest is just absolutely beautiful. So thank you for joining me. I hope you guys love this box as much as I do. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.